Follow along to make a super easy Thai-inspired cucumber salad, the perfect bar snack for home. The ingredients are simple: natural peanut butter, I like the chunky kind, low sodium soy sauce, or substitute tamari if you'd like it to be gluten-free, a little bit of rice vinegar, sesame oil, chili flakes, a measuring spoon, and a mason jar. Now remember those cucumbers that we cored and cut into little pieces? Great. Sprinkle the cucumber slices with a good pinch of salt and sugar, give it a quick stir, and set it aside. This helps draw out the moisture and helps the sauce soak in a little bit better later. So now it's time to make the sauce. Start off with 1 tablespoon of peanut butter in your mason jar, and then add a tablespoon and a half of rice vinegar, and then a tablespoon and a half of sesame oil, followed by a tablespoon of soy sauce. Depends on how spicy you like it, add a good amount of chili flakes into the mixture. Place the lid on and give it a good little shake. Take the cucumbers you have set aside and drain out all the water from the bowl and get it as dry as possible. Time to mix in a good helping of the Thai peanut vinaigrette. The cucumbers should be well coated but not soaking. I only used about 1/4 of a large English cucumber for this recipe, so you can save the salad dressing for later. Once the dressing is well integrated, just transfer the cucumbers into your serving vessel and garnish with a little bit more sesame, and I've chosen some crispy shallots to go with it. You don't have to garnish it with that. Be creative, do whatever you'd like. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this super simple recipe.